Hello, my name is Abdul Majid and my AG ID is 8009199011. Today I am doing about the Pavement Analysis and Design Module 5 exam. As you can see in the question, I have to determine the slab thickness. Question is given as a new rigid pavement is to be built on an interstate highway passing through downtown Phoenix. Average yearly precipitation of 9 inch. Traffic forecasting analysis has yielded an estimated demand of 15 million ESALs over the 20-year performance period. So, the properties of the local materials available are presented below. As we can see the properties, it is showing here. Elastic modulus of concrete 4 lakh psi. It's like 40 lakhs psi, not 4 lakhs. And concrete modulus of rupture, which is in 28 days up to 500 psi. As we all know, the effective modulus of subgrade reaction, which is also known as K, is 100 psi. The subgrade material exhibits poor drainage up to 0.80 we can take because it is poor drainage, and we have to use a reliability of 90% and standard deviation of 0.35. Let's see. We have 4 options. We have to determine the minimum slab thickness and traffic demand round up to the next 1/4 inch. Let's see. We have given the values. ESALs W18 is equals to 15 lakh psi, and as we know, reliability 90%, standard deviation 0.35, modulus of rupture SC 500 psi, elastic modulus EC 4 lakh psi, modulus of subgrade reaction K is equals to 100 psi, and load transfer coefficient J is equals to 2.7. Due to towels plus AC, we have to take this, and because of poor drainage, we are taking CD as 0.80. As we all know, for 15 million ESALs, we have 90% reliability, and K is equals to 100 psi, and SC is equals to 500 psi. When we increase due to the ESALs and poor drainage, we can justify as rounding up to the 10 inches. So we have 4 options, and we can select this one option for the answer. Now let's go to the Excel sheet and find all the solution. Let's go. We have standard deviation. Standard deviation, as we all know, 0.35. Then we can go for SC. SC we have like modulus of rupture 500, and we have CD as we are taking as 0.80 due to the poor drainage. And when we go to this one, as we all know, standard deviation SO is equals to 0.35, and we have to find the D in inches, as we have like PT, which is also known as this one. And if you go for the EC, like elastic modulus, which is 4 lakh psi, 4 lakh psi, which can be written as 40 lakhs psi. And as we have to go for like next step, which is known as K is in PCI, as we have like modulus of subgrade reaction is 100, so it is like 100 PCI. This is like J we have like load transfer of coefficient, we have like 2.7 due to towels, so we are taking as 2.7. when we take all these values, we have like next is ZR is nothing but reliability, which is we have to take as let me find. Let's see what is the ZR. We can get the ZR as minus 1.645. When we take as this one, then we have to go for this like PT, which is like, let me take 7.5 and find what the answer will come. So we are taking as 7.5. then after like we have W18, which is like 15 lakhs. It is like 1.50 E plus 0.7. So we get the answer as D is equals to 10 inches, which is 9.56 inches something, which is approximately equal to 10 inches. Right. These are all the answers we got for the exam. Let me show you all these things in the file. So you can see here all the things. 100 PCI and this got for 15 million E-cells. The increase due to E-cells and poor drainage justifies rounding up to 10 inches. So this is what we have, like 4 options, and this option is the correct one. Thank you.